Healthy living does not start with medicine. It starts with a small habit, even haircuts. What habit today could protect the health of tomorrow? Children. What if I told you a simple haircut could shape the health of an entire generation? Self-haircutting, a healthy skill for the next generation. The future belongs to the next generation. A generation that must grow strong, independent, and healthy in a world full of challenges. And sometimes the smallest habit creates the great impact. Self-haircutting is one of those habits. Today, we discover how to simple haircut done by your own hands can shape a healthier tomorrow. For centuries, grooming was passed down within families. Parents cut the hair of their children, and cleanliness was part of home culture. Only later did barber shops and salons become common. But along the way, we lost the tradition for teaching the young to care for themselves. Bring back self-haircutting reviews this healthy practice, giving future generation both hygiene and independence. Hygiene and safety. In a world of bacteria and viruses, health is the priority. Salons with shared tools and crowded spaces are not always safe. But when children grow up in learning self-haircutting, they also learn hygiene. They sterilize their tools. They clean up hair waste. They keep their surroundings fresh. This habit protects not only their bodies, but also train them to respect health at young age. For the coming generation, self-reliance will be key. When a child learns to cut their own hair, they are not just grooming, they are building confidence. They discovered, I can take care of myself. This small act reduces defense, creates discipline, and strengthens self-esteem. A haircut becomes a lesson for responsibility, economic and practical benefits. A regular salon visit can be expensive. Teaching the next generation self-haircutting save families money, funds that can be redirected into education, health, and nutrition. In practical sense, it also serves time. No waiting, no travel, just a clean, efficient grooming at home. For a fast-paced future, this is more than convenience. It's a healthy lifestyle choice. Environmental health. Healthy life is not only about the body. It's also about the planet. Salons often produce waste. Plastic away, disposable product, creating waste, chemical dyes, even trip add to fuel pollution. But self-haircutting at home reduces travel, cuts waste, and allow eco-friendly practices. The coming generation will grow up understanding that every action, even a haircut, can protect the earth. Hair is more than a beauty. It is part of our body's hygiene system. Dirty or unmanaged hair can trap dust, bacteria, even allergens. Short, well-trimmed hair is easier to clean, easier to wash, and less likely to harbor germs. By teaching future generations how to maintain their own hair, we also teach them how to maintain cleanliness in daily life. Preparing for a futuristic world, the next generation will not just live in honor. The next generation will not just live on Earth. They may live in space. Astronauts already cut their own hair on the International Space Station. using vacuum clippers to prevent hair from floating. Tomorrow's children may travel to Mars, Moon, Veto, or deep space habitats. In those places, self-care will be survival. Self-haircutting is a small but vital practice that prepare humanity for galactic health. Teaching a skill. So how do we pass the skill to do to the next generation step by step? 1. Start simple. Keep trimming fringes. Keep trimming fringes for side hair. Supervised practice. Parents give children until they are confident. Poor hygiene. Always disinfect before and after. Mirror method. Encourage using two braids to see all angles. Celebrate packing. Appreciate their effort, not just result. This turns grooming a healthy family radiation. The coming generation deserves more than a style. They deserve healthy habits, self-haircutting teachers, hygiene independence, sustainability, and future readiness. It is more than a haircut, it's a lesson in living clean, strong, and prepared. From the bathroom mirror to the galaxies beyond. The scissors in their hands may shape a healthier tomorrow. Self-haircutting, a small act, a big people. Hello, now you are feeling to do self-haircutting? Comments. Hello, are you feeling to do self-haircutting? Maybe in sound change, but in today's world, it is more important than ever. Have you ever felt like doing your own haircut at home? Let us comment. A self-haircut is not just about style. It's about health, confidence, and the future. So, are you ready to hold the scissors in your own healthy life? Thank you for watching Galactic Health Hub.